These bottles might look simple, but they are loaded with power. Hey faves, welcome back to my kitchen. Let me show you how I made this from scratch. Here is everything I used. Pineapple to sweeten and aid digestion. Oranges for juice and balance. Lemon for vitamin C. Ginger for that kick and inflammation support. Turmeric for healing and to help boost immunity. I started by peeling and cutting my pineapples into tiny chunks. I did this because we're going to be using a blender. You don't want to have them in large chunks. You can absolutely skip this step if you're using a juicer. We're doing this because we're using a blender. We also did the same for the lemon and the oranges. You want to keep everything in manageable sizes. That way it's easier on the blender. It does not have to be perfect. Just clean, fresh and ready to blend. Ginger and turmeric can be a bit rough to handle. I didn't scrape off the skin of my turmeric and ginger, but you can scrape off yours if that's what you're comfortable with. I just went ahead and cut this into tiny manageable chunks. No need for perfect cuts, just keep everything simple and clean. Everything goes into the blender with some water. Remember not to add too much water. For this particular quantity, I used 2 glasses of water. Go ahead and blend this. Blend until it is very smooth. This next part is where the real work happens. I strain using a mesh cloth to separate the juice from the pulp. It takes a bit of time and effort, but once you see that golden liquid dropping, you just know it's worth every bit of your time. Go ahead and squeeze this very well to get out every bit of juice. Here we have our freshly made ginger turmeric juice. Turmeric stains a lot, so you can go ahead and use a glove if you're not comfortable with having your fingers looking like mine. I poured this into bottles and stored them in my fridge. It stays fresh for a few days and it gives a good boost. I take 1 shot every morning on an empty stomach. And that is it. Simple and effective. No special equipment needed. If this was helpful, like this video, share it with someone and subscribe for more real kitchen contents like this. Thank you